Hey y'all, thanks for tuning back into my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how I do my micro braids on my natural hair. This is my first time doing micro braids on my natural hair, okay? I did micro braids on my hair before, but my hair wasn't natural, okay? All right, y'all, so I'm just putting the oil in my hair, and as you guys can see, I'm using the easy synthetic hair. That's the connector line hair, okay? So in this video, y'all, sorry for the lightning. I'm doing my hair in my room, then I moved to the bathroom. I'm like everywhere, okay? And the lightning is horrible, so excuse the light, y'all, the lightning. And I do want y'all to know that whenever I recorded this video, I was actually showing you guys the time, but I decided not to put it in the video. I'll just go ahead on and just let you guys know what time I started. So I started at 9:00 p.m. Okay, I don't know what date it was. I don't feel like going back and look on my in the video, this video, because I already edited it. Okay, I don't feel like taking the part out and putting it back in. Okay, so I did start at 9:00 p.m. and then I'm gonna show you guys the time that wherever I stop, I'm gonna tell y'all what time it was, okay? All right, y'all, so right here, right there, right now, right there, it's about 11 o'clock, okay? 11:00 p.m. So as you guys can see, I did not get far at all, okay? All right, y'all, so this is the next morning, okay? This is the next day. And as you guys can see, I already started doing some. I just decided to start recording. So y'all, I intentionally, like, I ain't lying to y'all, I wanted to finish so bad. I wanted to do my entire head, but that took forever, y'all. I'm sorry, I couldn't even finish. I ain't lying, I really, I just knew I was gonna finish my hair, y'all, but that next morning, I ain't lying, that night it kicked my ass. So I was like, you know what, we just gonna put some braids in the middle, okay? So that's what I'm doing, y'all. I'm just putting braids in the middle. And don't judge my braids. Do not judge my braids. I know they kind of ratchet and raggedy, okay? But I don't like braiding my natural hair. I don't even like my natural hair, honestly. Maybe if it grow out, maybe when it grows out, I would like it. But I don't like the texture of it. But it's been growing, so that's the main thing. That's what I wanted to do, grow. All right, so there go the braids, y'all. And I'm just gonna do the outskirts of my hair, micro braids. Okay, all I did right there, y'all, was I'm just gradually taking a piece of hair extension, and I'm just braiding it across, you know, because my hair is so short, and I'm just braiding it across. So whenever I put it in up in a plait, it'll look more natural, like it's done, like it's full. You know what I mean? All right, y'all, so I'm done. I ain't finished, but I'm done, okay? So I'm just showing you guys how it looks. This is the front. All right, and that's the side, you guys, and that's the back. And that's what I did. All right, and all I'm doing is putting oil, y'all. This the mint oil. You can get this from the Family Dollar, Walmart, whatever. It's just any kind of oil. I'm just oiling my hair, okay? My scalp and stuff. So I'm just taking the hair and I'm just plaiting the ends, because I want it, when I put it in a plait, I want it to be, the ends to be like wavy, okay? So that's all I'm doing. I'm just plaiting it, and once I have all of the ends plaited, I'm gonna dip it in some hot water, y'all. All right. So we just plaited all of them. We dipped it in hot water already, and this is what we have. And all I'm doing after I let it sit, like after I dipped it in hot water, I let it sit, and now I'm just unraveling it, y'all. And as you guys can see, it made some waves, like wavy hair. See that? All right, so I'm trying to explain to y'all in the video that eventually I'm gonna go back and finish my hair, y'all, but that was a lie. So I had to edit that out, but like deep inside, I really thought that I was gonna finish, but I didn't, y'all. And let me just tell y'all something, okay? Honestly, I left this in my head for a week. I kid y'all not, I left it in for a week, and I knew I was gonna do that because I cannot keep a hairstyle in for more than a week. Now I did one time, y'all, and that was yarn braids. Matter of fact, that wasn't even long ago. But y'all, I usually cannot leave braids in for that long. No hairstyle, okay? So I might as well just put a wig on. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Until next time, don't forget to love one another. God bless and peace, y'all.